Screen recording has become an essential for gamers and professionals alike, allowing them to share gameplay or demonstrate issues. Now in this video, we will showcase the best methods for screen recording on Windows 11. So the first method is using the Xbox game bar on your computer. Simply open the game or the application you want to record, then press the Windows, Alt, and letter R keys together to start recording. Now a widget will appear on the corner, showing the elapsed recording time and other options to control the microphone and more. Another option is utilizing Microsoft PowerPoint. Just open the Microsoft PowerPoint, click the Insert tab, and select Screen Recording under the Media section. Now you have to choose the area you want to record, and the microphone and pointer visibility will be enabled by default, but you can also turn it off if needed. Lastly, you can use a third-party application like TinyTake. Just search for TinyTake, download and install the application on your computer. Now once you have installed it, you can now easily record on your screen. And those are the different ways of screen recording of your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.